Welcome to Mangools SEO Tricks and Tips videos. We're going to show you how to find long-tail keywords with low SEO difficulty. Keep watching and find your niche in less than 3 minutes with KW Finder. Let's say we want to write a blog about homemade cafe. We'll write the keyword to the search form and click on Find Keywords. The left part of the screen is dedicated to keyword suggestions and metrics. We can sort the results by the search volume. As we can see, there are many keywords with solid search volumes. However, their difficulties are high, at least for a starting blogger. We need to look at long tail and middle keywords with difficulties we can work with. For this, we'll set up a filter and set the maximum SEO difficulty to 35. That's the green zone. This one looks great. How to make strong cafe. It's relevant, search volume is more than 1,300 and the difficulty is 35. Now we can analyze the Google search results in the right screen of KW Finder by clicking on the keyword. The results look promising. The metrics are low except some of the results. Not to mention we can rank as a featured snippet for this kind of a question word. There's a potential to overcome these sites. But there are some other keywords with reasonable search volumes we can work with. On top of that, thanks to this handy feature, we can easily get hundreds of new related keywords. Just click on this little arrow. Over here, we can simply reactivate our filter to get more and more keyword ideas. Once done, we can save selected keywords into a list, or we can export them. So, fingers crossed with your keyword research in KW Finder. Feel free to share this video and don't forget to subscribe to Mangools YouTube channel to get fresh SEO ideas.